morning, sun. How are you? Skies above. Gee, it's great to be alive and love.
So aloha everyone, it's Mary and now we're back with another video here on my channel. So for today's video guys, we're going to be having a desk makeover plus desk tidying plus desk tour, and all of which we call them the productive desk setup. So parang total makeover talaga siya. So for those who are new to this channel, I'm Mary and I'm currently reviewing for the upcoming boards which might be postponed pero kailangan pa rin nating mag-aral. And I think that most of us now have shifted into online learning and online classes. At kami din, we are having online reviews. So for the past weeks, somehow I have been attending free online classes. And aside from those, I have been doing self-study. Somehow din, kapag sinapian tayo ng espiritu ng kasipagan natin. And I think that a very good study space that is very conducive for learning is very important for our productivity and better thought processing. And for me, it is my desk. So this desk helps me to be away with a slug feeling, and I spend most of my time here on my desk studying, learning, editing, journaling, planning, even the filming, I do it here, and my quiet time on my desk. So this desk has become my safe haven now that we are on quarantine. And the goal that I wanted with my new desk is that I don't want to feel constrained or saktong crowded lang. And because my old desk was really a mess, sobrang gulo niya, which I'm going to show you after this. And also, I would want to have the fresh color vibe with the vintage touch here on my desk. So there are three parts of this video. First is the desk makeover plus pre-tidying preps. Second is the desk tidying using the Konmari method. And third one is the desk tour, which will gonna be on the next video. So I think it's time to dig right into the video, guys. Enjoy.
From above, everyday would seem turning into love song. When you speak, angel, sing from above. Everyday would seem from above. Every sun. When you speak, angel, sing from above. Everyday voice sing.
So we're done with the cleaning, painting, and pre-tidying preps, and now let's move on to the desk tidying using the Konmari method of Marie Kondo. So Marie Kondo is a Japanese decluttering guru that broke onto the internet for her decluttering and organizational skills. And also she has written few books like Sparks Joy and the Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up. So we're going to use the KonMari method for this part of the video. So the first step on her method is to categorize your items. So the basic order of customizing your items are the books, paper, and the kimono, which are the miscellaneous items. Now I have to include under the miscellaneous items these sentimental items because on her previous or her past videos on the past years, I have seen that she has included sentimental items, and now on her recent videos, nawala na siya. So I think I have to incorporate it again because I'm still using or I'm having few things that are sentimental to me on my desk to achieve that vintage touch that I want on my desk. And it sparks joy. So for the second step is to examine your items. So if it sparks joy, then you have to keep it with confidence. And if it is no longer in use, and then thank you next. Parang Ariana Grande lang, thank you next. So now let's head on to categorizing these items. So for the books, guys, you have to ask the question, does putting this book on my desk take you a little closer to your ideal desk? For the papers, you have to keep a permanent box, an important box, and pending box. So for me, in my case, I have my important and pending box lang na malapit sa desk because the important papers are my review materials and pending papers are the papers that I'm going to use for the week or for the day or scheduled topic on that day. And my permanent papers are in my cabinet. So andun siya. So those are the NBIs, birth certificates, and a lot more important documents in our lives.
Don't wanna boast, but I gotta get. Wait till you see her. till you see her. A, B, C, D for me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Wait until you see her, you'll agree. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A for me. Don't wanna boast, but I got a girl. Wait until you see her. A, B, C, D for me.
So for the kimono, you have to ask the question, if I have this small thing or pen or paper, will it contribute to my work or study life or to my productivity? So I think all I have here contributes to my whole well-being, and that is very important.
Wait until you see her. A, B, C, D for me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Wait until you see her, you'll agree. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A for me.
So that's it for the first two parts of this desk productive setup, guys. Thank you for sticking by me here on this video. And please stay tuned on our next uploads, which I'm gonna be uploading the final part, which is the desk tour. So if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and see you on my next uploads, guys.